Now that the carpet's installed, the door is a bit too long, so it rubs when it closes or when it opens. So I'm going to just trim off a little bit of the bottom of the door. So I'm just going to take off about 3/8 of an inch. And that should be enough. So I just want to mark it out. Just take your pencil, line it up. You just want to take a knife blade, just score a line along the bottom. And just prevent any fraying and chipping. And just take some painter's tape. Now you can remove the painter's tape. There. You got a nice cut. And just clean off the dust. Just want to pop these pins out. Just have the door back in place. Just pop one in first. Now I'm getting the bottom of the others. There. As you can see, there's very little gap. Inside a utility room, you don't want the noise to come out into the living space. So that just keeps the noise in.